In this demo, I will show you how easy it is to configure and set up the customer portal in ZaveIT and build a beautiful front end for your customer, just like this. The customer portal gives your customer a single place to discover and buy products and services, and also manage everything from subscription, contracts, order history, etc. Here we can see the provider dashboard, and we can navigate to customization and the custom pages. In here, you can create a new page. Let's give it a name, Customer Portal version 3. And we can set it to active when we are finished. Now we can start adding sections. We can start with the banner section. For example, I would like to add 3 banners. You can have as many as you like. And up here you can set the timeline of the carousel. I'll set 10 seconds. We can start by adding an image like that. And you can also add the text you would like to be visible on the banner with the overline, header. You could also put in subtext if needed, and also a button text for the CTA. And here, you can drag and drop the banners in that order you would like them to be. And as you can see, I've already filled in the overline, headline, and subheading, and also added a Buy Now button. Now let's add more content into this customer portal and start with the service section. Let's give it a title. I will call this New Services. Here we can select which services should be visible on the front page. I only have 3 in this demo, so I will add those and save. As you can see, you can also navigate them in the order you would like them to be visible. Now we have added the services. Let's add some products as well. Add section, 1 product section, and save. Let's give this a title, All Products. You can quickly select products from your shop as well. For example, we could add laptop monitors or other hardware products. I will select monitors. And add and save. Once the products and services are configured, the portal page is ready. As you can see, I've added a support banner down here as well to make it easy for customers to reach out. Now let's take a look at how this appears from the customer perspective. The customer can now browse the portal and immediately see the highlighted services and products and special offers if you have any. They can check out this new backup service and easily buy now. And just like that, you have a modern customer portal that helps your customer buy more and helps you as a provider to manage everything in one platform when the orders come in.